Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome back to another vlog. So today's vlog I'm going to meet one of my friends. She's also an influencer. So I won't tell you the name right now. So I'm going to meet her at Bandra. So till then, see you. So guys, here I'm at Bandra at Carter Road with your influencer. The vlog you didn't ask for with Arshita Singh. Hi Arshita, what's up?
Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm here.
Go follow her on Instagram, Arshita__ Singh. Here is a profile. So guys, the question you all had asked me on the Instagram story, all the questions. So there's a huge quiz. It's actually for her.
Surprise.
Surprise, yeah. So actually we both will answer those. So yeah, but you got a Valentine. This question is from Through Caution. You have a Valentine?
No, I don't have a Valentine.
Why?
Why? What do you mean by that?
Okay, this
don't
is
have a.
These are you were asking me.
Okay. I don't have a Valentine. Do you have a Valentine?
No, I don't have a Valentine.
Why?
Because I'm so ugly.
Oh.
Okay, this question is from Kushnuma Karbari. Which Roman goddess was Peter's mother?
I don't know.
Even I don't know.
I'm not into Roman mythology.
Okay. What's your type? This question is from Shrushti.
Okay,
What's your
type.
type?
Toxic. Toxic. Yeah. Sweet.
मतलब टॉक्सिक एंड स्वीट
नहीं, I mean अच्छे लगते हैं but more inclination toward toxic, unhealthy guys.
Do you think this question is from Kash. Do you think Valentine's is overrated?
Okay, so I will answer this very honestly. Okay, if you are single, you feel that Valentine's is next level, overrated and overhyped and everything. But like, if you keep yourself and if you are in a relationship, obviously, yeah. So if you're in a relationship and if you have a person to go out with on 14th of February, then why not? Obviously, small things would matter, and you'll do everything to make that person happy.
Honestly,
right?
like why only 14th Feb? Why not every day we can do that?
Do na everything. Who's stopping?
I know, why only 14th Feb?
But like, I feel if I had a Valentine, I would go out. If I had a Valentine, I would go out and I would do the cheesiest thing on the entire planet for that person.
Okay. Yeah. So the next question is from Aditi.
No, you didn't answer it. Na? You also have to.
Yeah, it is overrated. Like I don't understand. Like only one day, why you have to like treat your girlfriend or your boyfriend special? Like you can do that every day. Why?
But you don't treat na every day.
But why only 14th Feb? You have to like go take them out to nice fancy restaurants and all. Why only 14th Feb? That's the question. India wants to know.
Okay.
Next is from Aditi. Sorry, Aditi. I don't know what to ask.
I won't count.
अरे जो इधर में रखूँगा.
Okay. Sorry, no, not really.
I don't know what to ask, but what do you think? When will you not be single on Valentine's? I'm single.
When will
you not be single on Valentine's?
Never. I'll forever be single on Valentine's Day. My luck strike is so bad that even if I date for like 11 months, February में आके breakup हो जाएगा.
Next question is from her only.
Okay.
With whom you wanna spend this day?
Valentine's. अच्छा, okay. With whom? Everybody are like.
All guys.
No. Oh alert, no. Not all guys. I'll celebrate Valentine's, I guess, with my best friend and my sister. Because my parents are going out because they're a couple. I'll celebrate it with my sister, my best friend and my best friend. My sister's best friend.
Nice.
Yeah. It's actually a man. I'm not making it up.
I know.
Yeah.
Nice.
No, your reaction was like, yeah,
Wow.
nice.
So the next question is from my best friend. She's Rihanna Mystery and she's asked, "तुम्हारा Valentine कौन है?"
हमारा
कोई
Valentine.
नहीं
Coffee को Valentine बनाओ. Coffee and food will never betray you. My gosh, I sound like such a devat right now.
She's like, "Please send rishtas.
No.
Hormazd will take you out. Send him your number."
Really? Will you?
Yeah, I'll take. Send me your number. DM me on Instagram. Follow me, and I'll take you out.
What is this barter system or what?
Don't ask her. I'll take you
Oh
out.
my! Where what tapri ki chai will take a
I
what?
don't. Date is a date.
Tapri ki
And
chai.
they give Bhabhi discount also, 20 rupees ka.
What is that?
Take your girlfriend and they'll give other Bhabhi discount. Then the next question is from Sarah.
Okay.
When will you start dating? I want to ship you with someone.
When will you start dating? Even I want to know when will you start dating.
Even I want to know when will I start dating.
I think
India wants to know when will I start dating. I don't know.
it's okay. Then we need
Yeah.
to date.
The next question is from this girl.
Name 3 traits
Traits
about
about
your
your crush.
It's you know this person.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know the username. Name 3 traits.
Not say 3 traits about my crush, but I'll say 3 traits I would like in a person, like in a guy. That is honesty,
It's the best policy.
honesty, loyalty, and three. It's not difficult. 3 honesty, loyalty, and obviously that person should hang me up.
Have you ever,
उधर honesty नहीं चाहिए.
Achha.
उधर चलेगा.
Have you ever been to first date? How was it? Share your experience. Date मिलता ही नहीं किधर जाएंगे?
I tell you, I've never been on a date. I've never ever been on a
आप
date.
इस वक्त क्यों नहीं कर रही?
Because I think I'm such a depressed soul and heartbroken. That's why.
सही करना है.
Jaldi.
हाँ.
हाँ.
What will you choose? Winning 1 lakh lottery or winning crush? 1 lakh
Lottery.
Obviously
Lottery. Anyway.
What kind of girl you wanna date?
What kind of
I don't
girl?
wanna date right now.
Hypothetically.
Hypothetically, you will understand me. You should know that I give more time to YouTube and all.
I talk to you for 3 hours only. Excellent in content. Sorry.
It's fine. How many girls did you ask out in last month? Not a single girl. मैं इसको पूछने लग रहा है.
Sweet party boy, किसको पूछने जाए?
Next, what are your Valentine wishes? All my guy friends should have a date. All my guys.
So that you are alone.
That's fine.
You should wish that all your guy friends should not have a date so that all you guys can go
But I'm
out.
Ultan, I'm very sweet. I'm letting them enjoy that.
You want to be alone on Valentine's
That's
Day.
right.
Okay.
Get me one chick for Valentine's. अभी मैं कहता धंधा चालू Who is gonna be your Valentine's? कौन बनेगा वही तो. He also laughing. Next question. Jahan
Who is
bhai.
this person?
Afiq. Next is Jahan bhai.
Nice belief you've got in your friend here.
What are your Valentine Day plans? घर पे रहो, Netflix,
Fine.
FIFA.
FIFA, yeah.
Who is your Valentine? Same question. No one. Coffee. Tips for how to build your channel. DM me that.
I would say,
Influencer.
if only I knew, no. I don't know.
You don't buy.
I don't.
Will you be my Valentine? Chal bro, let's go for a coffee. Done.
Who is this person?
My friend.
She is good.
Guy.
Guy.
Next is on DJ. He's your secret Valentine date. Addison Ray.
Secret.
Addison
Imaginary नहीं पूछा है. Secret पूछा है.
The secret ही है ना? No one. Next. This is from my sister. Who's your Valentine? Same
Everybody wants to know. So so much of interest in your love life. Yeah, oh yeah.
Valentine Day festival. What's your Valentine Day plan? See, I'll get up, I'll attend my classes, I'll attend college, which I don't. I'll play FIFA, I'll go out with my friends. What's your Valentine Day plan? Going out, I mean your sister.
Yeah, I'm going out on 13th, so like 14th I'll chill and it's gonna be a chill evening.
So guys, I just ate shawarma and now we are at Carter Road only, and now we are gonna make reels on her account. So go follow her on Instagram. So I'll put some behind the scenes. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and thank you for all your questions. And part 2 will be out soon with her. So stay tuned. Till then, don't forget to like, share and comment down your favorite part or your favorite answer.
Give him a big thumbs up, subscribe to his channel, comment, hit the bell icon so that you're notified each time when he posts a video.
And go subscribe to her channel. The link is in the description and I'll tag her so you all can directly click it on it and reach her channel. Like yes.
And yes, follow him.
And follow her.
Follow us.
Follow everyone.
That's right. I hope you guys had fun. Thank you for sending so many questions. We had fun answering them. And lastly, thank you for watching. Bye.